Are you thinking about buying your dream home? Before you sign on the dotted line, let's make sure how to spot potential property repairs and issues. I'm Carolyn Alverdian from Real Estate by Carolyn over at Balboa Real Estate. So let me break this down for you. First up is a roof. Check for missing shingles, sagging, or water stains. A damaged roof can cost you thousands of dollars to repair. Next, let's inspect the walls for cracks and mold. Both can indicate structural issues or water damage, or even worse, mold. Don't forget to check the attic. Look for signs of dampness, pest infestation, or poor insulation. Test the plumbing. Turn on the faucets. Flush the toilets to ensure there's no low water pressure or leaks. Electrical issues can be dangerous and expensive to fix. Check outlets, switches, and the breaker box for any signs of trouble. There you have it. With these tips, you'll be better prepared to spot potential issues before you even buy. This is why it's so important to have a great licensed home inspector so they can discuss these issues with you and save you thousands of dollars and a lot of headache. Please reach out to my team and I so we can help guide you and protect you along the way. Happy house hunting. Carolyn Alaverdian from Real Estate by Carolyn over at Balboa Real Estate, putting you first every step of the way.